What if I told you that 90% of businesses fail because they refuse to innovate? That's right. While some companies skyrocket to success, others fade into oblivion. And the difference? Innovation. Whether you're running a startup, a small business, or a massive corporation, one truth remains. If you're not evolving, you're dying. In this video, we'll break down exactly why innovation is the fuel that keeps businesses alive and how you can leverage it to stay ahead. Think about companies like Blockbuster, Kodak, Toys R Us. These were once industry giants, yet today, they're nothing but cautionary tales. Why? Because they got comfortable. They stuck to what worked in the past instead of adapting to the future. On the other hand, companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Apple continuously push the boundaries, embracing change, experimenting with new ideas, and reinventing themselves. And guess what? They dominate their industries. So why should every business, big or small, prioritize innovation? Here are 3 game-changing reasons. Stay ahead of competition. If you're not innovating, your competition is. And in business, second place is just the first loser. Meet changing customers' needs. Consumer behavior evolves. What worked yesterday won't necessarily work tomorrow. Innovation helps you stay relevant. Increase efficiency and profit. New technology and creative problem solving don't just make products better. They streamline operations and boost revenue. Netflix versus Blockbuster. Netflix saw the future of streaming. Blockbuster ignored it. The rest is history. Tesla and electric vehicles. While traditional cars manufacturers hesitated, Tesla redefined the industry. Now everyone's playing catch up. So how can you apply innovation to your business? It's simpler than you think. Encourage new ideas. Don't be afraid to take risks. Embrace technology. AI, automation, and digital tools can revolutionize your efficiency. Listen to customers. They'll tell you what they need before your competitors figure it out. The businesses that survive and thrive aren't the ones that play it safe. They're the ones that dare to think differently, adapt, and lead. You found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, or for more business insights, and drop a comment. What's one way you can innovate in your industry today?